Hey everybody, welcome to GRD271 Multimedia Design 1. Welcome back from summer semester. If I haven't seen some of you throughout the summer, welcome back to campus. Um, GRD271 Multimedia Design 1 is a hybrid format class similar to our Graphic Design 3 class, where most of the content is going to be online, but we will have um, class meeting times. I believe we're meeting every Wednesday from 10 to 11:50, just once a week. That way we can kind of stay on track and communicate a little bit better as the projects get rolling. This is the first of a two-part class. If you are double majoring, you will take both Multimedia Design 1 and Multimedia Design 2. But in Multimedia Design 1, if you're not familiar, this is kind of the old web page design class, but it's really become a whole lot more than that with mobile devices, tablets. We're no longer just designing for desktops. We're designing apps in terms of interfaces and things like that in terms of how the user interacts. And that's kind of I think I'm using that as our enrollment assignment within the class as I look at my other screen here to talk about how do you interact with data and information these days. Are you looking at a computer? Are you looking at a cell phone? Are you looking at a tablet? It's interesting. I can kind of guess probably what you use the majority of the time. That's probably a phone. So interface design is a really big deal. It's a very hot topic. It's sometimes referred to as UI, as for user interface design, or UX, which is user experience. So they're kind of two different things, but we're going to be kind of studying that topic. There are lots of jobs within the UX, UI field right now because there's so much information being pushed to a cell phone or a tablet. No longer are we simply designing web pages or whatever you want to call them for a desktop screen. So you probably have designed something using HTML back in high school or in an intro to computer class. I will rest assured we're not doing any programming in this class. I'm not a programmer. I don't think you want to learn how to write code. That is not what is what this class is about. We're really into designing interfaces and how that how those interfaces interact, create a user experience for the person using that particular site or app, whatever it might be. So we're going to be getting into some software called Adobe XD in a little bit. If you have not downloaded that, it is available through Adobe Creative Cloud. That if you subscribe to that, you have access to that software. We have access to it within our department as well in our labs. But I just kind of want to give you a brief welcome. We'll talk a little bit more when I see you guys on Wednesday. Maybe show you some more samples about what we're going to be doing. But welcome to Multimedia Design 1, and we'll see you in class very soon.